How to stop pop-up ads on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, and without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, make sure you have logged into your account. Then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Select on settings over here, and as you select on settings, scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see the option of site settings. So let's tap on site settings. Scroll down again, and here you can see there's no direct options over here. So what we are going to do is we're going to go back and then simply tap on privacy over here. So let's search for privacy and then scroll down and see the option of use secure DNS. Right now it's automatic. Now if you want to just delete or stop the pop-up ads, tap on choose another provider. You can simply tap on dns.adguard.com. So you can just put in this option over here and then tap on save, and that's how you'll be able to stop the pop-up ads on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.